Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante. This comes with the 23-inch alloyed wheels. So I'll be going to the back now. The 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante features a highly distinctive rear lightning design that differentiates it from the standard Urus, characterized by a ringless aesthetic that emphasizes a sporty tracked focused nature. 23-inch alloyed wheel, you have the door handle, side mirror. Moving now to the front, yeah, nice bumper design we got here. You have the Lamborghini LED headlights, daytime running, the Lamborghini logo. Let's see the interior. I'll just open this right here. We have the Alcantara leather sport seats with the hexagonal stitching and the Performante logo. This is your gear, your start button, the digital screen. So you also have the upper 10.1-inch screen. We have the standard 8-speaker audio system. This car features 3-screen driver focus interface. That is the Lamborghini infotainment system III. Let's check the rear seats. So I'll just open this up. This comes with a standard 3-person split folding bench seat. The rear seat also features Alcantara upholstery with unique hexagonal stitching. These seats are fully ventilated and has massage functions. Coming to the hood, we have this carbon cover for the hood. Love the beautiful carbon cover design. This car comes with Lamborghini special color, the Bianco Urus color. Tell me guys, what do you think about the 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante? Make sure to like and subscribe.